Oh, go on, my people. Bless up in upon the raising corner, is it? I would dare say we are going to raise the boy G British guy. You don't know, say a Scott type TV. You don't know, say right, I saw the raising corner. So, guess what? But they are just going to raise the boy this guy. I don't know, say Jamaica have some politician that we now work, you see. They now going good, they now work good, them a sub-zero as the Scott I say. I'm a believe in a lot of people. Tell me one thing in the comment section because Jamaica no government. I just puppets they have and boy, I don't even know if I call it. Scott type I got tell you everything you need to know about Andrew Holness. As in nothing personal, nothing what go on in a yard or wife business. Me I tell about in a street where people them talk say yo Andrew a sub-zero. A sub-zero government that. You see me? That me I tell them yo the man a sub-zero. We got best ear from Scott type because they man know if you break down the thing, You see? Man know if you break down the thing in a most getaway. So all the uptown people they can't understand because uptown people can't understand Patois. But you see, as I say uptown, I want the uptown people then come out and vote out and join us because I know say you don't like what I want to. I guess you know blouse and skirt feel like you're superior. Or so you want to feel over so minority of people who can't even find food. I feel go out there go fend for themselves. Not because you live in a big house and high rise, you don't feel like so you don't want to see people up to. The people then must be up like Una and be rich. But the people they want to have things too. Can fit send them you to school too. Can have bed for sleep and too. Good mattress. Now if you go in a dance and hear a selector boy throw out pan the girl and throw out pan people. You see what I say? We don't want that no more. We want to cut to the ghetto as Mr. Patterson always says. Cut to the ghetto thing. But here we go on. We're going to leave from Scott Type TV and here we say cause me hear the man say yo Andrew Holness a sub-zero government and the man a call all what the woman name? What your name again? George Wrong. George Wrong. The George right, because I'm not write a blouse and skirt. George Wrong. I'll come like up this Westmoreland George Wrong response. The man said George Wrong no carry no works up there. No, the man say no George Wrong now do nothing. The only thing George Wrong do I get tricked by the media. You know why him get tricked by the media? And big boys them a trick him. Is it? Big boys. Boy, I have to wonder about the party at JLP still. I not like big man thing. Too much of dirt to forward out upon them. There is no coming back for them people. If me say if you no ever vote them in back for your next 4 term, brother, your dog them on a supper and drunk or fly over on down in Jamaica. You hear that? Cause blouse and skirt drunk on and get no time for fall down the ground for come name up. 2 dog go name up on the blouse and skirt. Here. If the Chinese them don't name up the dog them down there and the donkey them. Cause of that me say Andrew Holness I do. I bring in Chinese. For come eat off the dog and the donkey them to blouse and skirt. Tell me what you think down in the comment section now, cause I'm there for joke, Scott. Cause we see all the man say him a go to all the church. Hold on there. Me not ready for feature that yet. That's for another program. Cause I must say yo you want to go to the church, but that's another program. You see, we want to hear from J British. You see, them man a YouTube channel named Scott Hype TV. And guess what? Me a man afraid to give them man give people them glory. You see, me a man afraid to call people name on my platform. You see, cause guess what? You see anybody when me say I deal with when me I deal with betterment of Jamaica, betterment for people and everybody. Here at best from Scott Hype TV right now on the Reason Corner. You see.
are saying the Prime Minister like the done set of people them when me call Sub-Zero, cause look what happened yesterday at conference, you know. You understand me? I say the people them were bright. Me not see the Prime Minister, George Wright, or whosoever responsible for Westmoreland. Look on the road them in a Darliston, look on the road them in a Bethel Town, look on the road them up a Castle. You see me? Look on the road them up a Newmarket, look on the road them a St. Elizabeth. Me not see him provide no jobs. I know me not see George Wright come give them program in a waterworks. You see me? Instead of him having head on him body, he get tricked by camera and get tricked in the system. So if he say the people them ever go put back George Wright in a power, if he say Andrew Holness are go ever win a seat in a Westmoreland, and we not see what them develop in a Westmoreland. You know, see, so that's why I like the done set of people them. Me call him Sub-Zero, or Patricia, me see there. I come but him a labor rights celebrity. You see me? And she not even have somewhere where he can show out a labor right. Look on you know, see, say this the country reverse and the Prime Minister like the done set of people them. Me have sense and the 200 rest of people them when me know say me I go care if I go vote. None of them now vote. So Mr. Right now link me Mr. G British. You understand me? We don't no apology. Cause me I tell uno this, the Prime Minister this in person. We want to see jobs, we want to see development. We not see none of that.
We not see that.
When you say you win election, you can't sleep with the door open. You have to sleep with the door locked. So what this country now? Reverse. You see me? First of all, the youth we see come a half a tree. Him come out and he claims him at the body setter man and vice cartel lock up behind bars. We don't have no proof or no proof of this man. And me if we go vote. Me if we go vote for Labour right. And me still say Labour right. Reverse.
If we no vote,
look on the logics, and look on the reality of life, you know. The country need development. Me not see no development.
We don't see it either,
we only say locks up
that alone
and jail up. And you create this type of crime and that type of crime.
You're right,
no development. So my set of people they have sense, you know. But they fully done. So I see a conference, I say them not have no sense, man. And when election time he not go win, they don't go trick him. And that I say I go on.
Me people, no hear when the youth are saying people. All the man saying see a locks up. Crimes up. No blood infrastructure up. People them press up, oppress up, all kinda up, but the country now go up. You see what I say? All that for work. All kinda up in but the country itself now go up, the people itself now go up. My God. Andrew Holness, you are the worst Prime Minister, brother. You hear that? You are the worst. You are Sub-Zero government. But you are notorious. You hear that? You are the notorious government. Because all you know do, I create crime and I create poverty. G British down there on the ground, I ain't tell you no, where you come from, where you forward from. Labour right zone. As myself, I see it all along, you know. All along by the day I see it. I see it. All you don't want the people to come vote for you and carry into a gun, come get the youth them. You see what I say? And that you don't want. I see it. I see it from my own eyes. So all of the youth them were down there, you know, want to come out forward and come talk. And make us send them boy to jail, prison, lock them up in a short pants as well. We know some other say. Them feel in a short pants with no pocket. You hear that? No pocket. So when time a man them see them forward in and without no pocket to write it and then see them forward in without no pocket and you're a politician and you no pocket. Eh? A man then just turn them upside down and call them a search sitting. Turn them upside down and shake them out. When see man says no pocket no did they man them for just blows and skirt beat up on a blow over and that blow over. You see it? Cause now wicked and thief. Politician boy in Jamaica, Andrew Holness, JLP government. I tell them people, I tell them say you up on the reason cause now they are afraid of reason about. them wicked things that we see are going. Cause we just hear Scott Hyper tell the things them cause what man say, everything what man say right. Man say Patricia she when she get out of labor right. I think of the blouse and skirt girl we see in the red. She say she a labor right celebrity and I go on most way down. I think of she man. Yeah man, I think of she something like that. You see, so if me get it wrong, people just tell me one thing. Or you can correct me wrong in the comment section, is it? Yo, one heap of thing we see what I see are going, you know. One of the time we see when time blows and skirt meeting are going, some people we see come out a real disrespect people them, but we have to talk the truth. A real dunce, a real dunce, but a real sub-zero people them. Because Patricia she can't even talk good. She just you can't talk good at them kind of people that Holness like the dumb set of people them. Ignorant set of people them. You're ignorant, you lead us straight. You're ignorant, we can give you 5,000. You're ignorant, we can buy a plywood. You're ignorant, we can give you food for the poor. You're ignorant, we can buy you some blouse and skirt. Can to feed your 5,000 chicken or your 500 chicken we give you. Nothing wrong with getting 500 chicken. You know? But you see if the government they are growing and I give everybody something like that for do in a blouse and skirt get on in a middle class. Give them something for do and Holness. You know, give them nothing for do, all you give them is locks up, backs up, mass up,